All right, let's talk about how to make money online with a faceless YouTube channel, guys. As you can see, I generated $101,000. So a little over $100,000 with a YouTube channel that I don't even show my face on. I'm gonna refresh the screen real quick just so y'all can see that these results are real. I'll even click on one of these different things up here so that y'all can see that these results are real. So you see, put past 7 days. You can see, this is real money here. Just showing y'all some proof. Go back over. But yeah, generated $100,000 without showing my face on YouTube. Now, what did I do? How did I do it? All right. And this is what I did, guys. With a faceless YouTube channel, what you want to do is you just need to find out, what type of videos. You need to find out what niche you're going to get into, because you're definitely going to need to pick a niche. People tell you, oh, you don't got to pick a niche. You do need to pick a niche, because the niche is what's going to trigger the algorithm to show people what type of videos that you make. Like, it's going to take the algorithm. YouTube's algorithm is going to promote your videos to people that are in that niche. You know what I'm saying? So you need to know what niche you're going to get in. But anyway, guys, I used my iPhone. I didn't use nothing but a simple iPhone. I took out my iPhone and recorded videos, and then I just been uploading it to YouTube and stuff like that, right? Now, a lot of y'all probably wondering, like, okay, y'all probably thinking that you got to use like AI technology and that all that type of stuff just to make faceless YouTube videos. A faceless YouTube video is pretty much any channel where you just don't show your face. Like, it doesn't have to be like AI technology related or anything. You just not showing your face, but you still making money. You see what I'm saying? That's what I mean by a faceless YouTube channel. But if you want to make a faceless YouTube channel using AI technology, you can do that as well. But like, but I'm gonna tell you how you're gonna make your videos really go crazy on YouTube. The way you're going to get views and stuff is by making videos that people actually want to see. So, for example, it's more so about the value that you're giving in the video that's going to make people watch. For example, I did a video about Grand Theft Auto 6, right? People would have, from a marketing perspective, most people would have been like, oh, Grand Theft Auto 6 not Grand Theft Auto 6, Grand Theft Auto 5. I'm sorry, guys. I'm talking about Grand Theft Auto 5. A lot of people would have been like, Grand Theft Auto 5 is oversaturated. Everybody making videos in that niche. You can't grow in that niche because it's oversaturated. I'm going to tell you a secret. Your YouTube channel can pop off in any niche. I don't care how oversaturated it is, because it's not about if the niche is oversaturated or not. It's more so about the value that you're giving in your videos. All right. So I don't care what niche it is. Your video is going to get a lot of views if you giving a lot of value in them videos. It's just simple as that. I don't care what niche it is. You know what I'm saying? I don't care if the niche is oversaturated. I don't care if it's 1 million people making videos in that niche. If your video is valuable to that group of people, they're going to make your video go viral. It's simple as that. It's just like you watching this video. The reason you still watching this video is because I'm giving you value. I'm actually giving y'all something that y'all really interested in knowing, right? So that's how it works. It's about giving value, and that's what make your videos go viral or whatever. But anyway, guys, as you can see some of the titles down here, guys, it's pretty much, this is like a tutorial channel that I made. And I was just showing people how to do certain things, you know what I'm saying, without showing my face. I can show you how to do this, show you how to do that, not even showing my face. And what I would say, if you're a new YouTuber or a new YouTube channel, and this is like a new YouTube channel that you're trying to make money on or whatever, don't worry about making money right away. What you want to do is you just want to upload your content, get you at least, I'm going to tell you, when you upload your video, don't expect that video, your first and second and third video, to go off and get 1 million views or go off and get views at all. Expect it to get 0 views. That's normal. A lot of people think they start YouTube. That's what happened to a lot of YouTubers. They quit too early. Like they put up like 5 videos and none of them videos get views. So they think, oh, YouTube not working. No, it takes time for your videos to get into the YouTube algorithm. YouTube doesn't even know your video exists. When you first upload a video, YouTube sometimes, depending on how the algorithm is, YouTube will not pick up on your video until 6 months later. That's just how the algorithm is. So what you got to do, you got to keep uploading videos for 6 months to a year. And then if you uploaded videos for the whole year and you don't get no views at all after that whole year, then yeah, I would tell you, yeah, you can go ahead and stop YouTube. But like, I guarantee you, if you just upload and be consistent, upload videos for a year straight. Let's say you put out 2 videos a week. That's all you got to do. If you want to put out more, that's on you. But like 2 videos a week for a whole year straight, just do that. And I guarantee you, you're going to see some results on YouTube. But you definitely need to know what niche you're in. You need to learn how to pick niche. Go to YouTube and type in how to pick a niche. You know what I'm saying? You need a niche. All right. And then you want to cater to that audience. Put out videos that are valuable to them people. And I guarantee you, your videos are going to get a lot of views. Now, the way YouTube pays you is by views. So if you're in a certain niche, let's say that you're in a niche where you talk about stocks, right? You talk about, you know, investing in stocks for beginners or whatever like that, right? That niche is a high CP. It's what's called a high CPM niche, meaning that, you know, per 1,000 views, you can get up to like $20-$30 per 1,000 views, versus a gaming niche where you're talking about Fortnite, how to do something in Fortnite or something, or just Fortnite in general, Fortnite gameplay videos. That niche probably pay you about $6 per CPM, $3 per CPM. The CPM is lower because advertisers, they're going to pay you more money to get on your video if it's about you know, if it's like a video about money and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Because they're trying to sell a product. Most advertisers are trying to sell a product, and they know that people that are watching videos that are related to stocks and stuff like that, they know that those people are more likely to buy a product. They're more likely to buy some type of product. So they will pay more money to get on those type of videos. As simple as that. But let me keep YouTube simple, guys. A Faceless YouTube channel, just keep it simple. What you want to do is keep it simple. Don't overthink it. Just know once after you pick your niche, you want to upload for a year straight. Do not get discouraged. I know I already said this, but I'm trying to get that in y'all head. And YouTube, I'm telling you, it's going to pay off. Once you get a 4,000 subscribers, once you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you're then able to go ahead and start monetizing your YouTube channel. And one thing you can use to, like, if you want to edit your videos, I didn't even edit a lot of those videos that I was making, those Faceless on my Faceless YouTube channel. I wasn't even editing them videos. But like editing software you want to use is CapCut. CapCut is a really good software you can use. You can like literally go there and like you can open up a new setting or something like that. And like, yeah, you can open up a new setting and you can like start making money just like that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna leave y'all with that video. I'm not gonna talk too much on the topic, but I'm gonna tell you, if you want me to keep uploading these type of videos, you gotta hit the like button, guys. You have to hit the like button. Like right now, if you're watching this, hit that like button, because that's gonna let me know if you guys are interested in more videos like this or not. Because if I don't see this video getting any likes, then I'm not gonna want to keep dropping this type of content, because I'm not seeing anybody engaging with it. So you have to engage with this video some kind of way. Leave a comment, hit the like button, engage as much as possible. And that way I will know that you guys are interested in this type of stuff. I'll come and make more videos for you. But anyway, I'm going to see y'all in the next video.